Halo ang mga
Video?
Hindi ka nga.
Video kasama.
Hello. Masakay na kami ng ferry
Hindi ako
boat.
makapagsalita dahil
Nilibre
sarap-sarap
kami ni
na
Dar
ice
na ice cream. Thank you, Dar. Okay. Ayan si Ate Yeyet.
Naman mo ang from
Ayan si Lenny. Ayan si Annalyn. Ayan si Ruby.
Ato sa imong
Pakihawak nga nito, be. Okay.
Siya Kaylin talaga.
So, let's move. Guys, let's move. What can you say about the ice cream?
It's not sweet.
It's good for your
Bones.
no, not for your bones, but for your blood sugar.
Diabetic in the sense.
Yes, exactly, guys. Wow, Kaylin. Seems that you're having a hard time eating your ice cream.
I hate it. Actually, she didn't eat ice cream when she was still a child. That's why you look at that. And I want to be. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm
So
sorry for you.
Oh, I feel so sorry about you.
Help! Oh, help me.
You ask Ruby for help. Look at Ruby.
happy.
Look at Ruby's ice cream. It's gone. Man, I was the first one to have ice cream, and look at her ice cream.
Ito ang mas maano, tingnan mo naman yan. Don't eat the paper. Pati yung paper
Don't eat the paper, okay?
Paolo, tari, oy.
Move, guys, move. There's fire in the house.
Nga, masunaw na siya.
I think this is dangerous, man. Just taking this video footage.
Tapos ako na sad.
No, it's okay. It's your turn. I want to eat my ice cream properly.
Tissue.
Ako na sad, bansilin ni Bitchay.
Okay.
Go
Look
to
at
the
my
ice
ice cream is dripping.
Not dripping, hey, look at that. There's the lake.
Padulong nami. Sikita kayo. Smash, sad mo diha. Mga artista ba, mga artista nangaon og ice cream.
Actually, I'm going to meet my long-lost boyfriend.
Oy,
Pag nalaman niya na girlfriend niya ako, break na kami.
right side lang daw. One line lang.